Hello everybody, I am Shahishik. I hope you all are staying healthy and safe. Welcome back to another video with another two incredible devices from Huawei. This time I will show you my two personal favorite devices that I was waiting to receive for some time now. Here I got with me the Y9A that comes with an incredible ultra full view display with 64 megapixel AI scenario quad camera and 4200 mAh battery with 40 watt supercharge. And on the other hand, I got the all-new Huawei Watch Fit that truly changed my perspective on smartwatches. The Y9A offers you an immersive viewing experience unlike the other brands, and that's due to the ultra full view display that comes with incredibly high screen to body ratio 92.02%. Let's take a look of the back. From the back side, you get the stunning halo ring design that was first introduced on the Huawei flagship model. What makes it even more beautiful are the three different colors that you get choose from: space silver, sakura pink and midnight black. On the back you get 64 megapixel AI scenario quad camera. Now you can capture super clarity shooting and whipping landscape, distant landmarks and close-up scenes. Even at night you can capture blur-free and focused handheld photos in low light situation. And let's not forget about the pop-up selfies camera. AI Beauty brings you customized beauty effects according to gender, age and skin. As always, Huawei always provide the best battery solution in all their smartphones. The Y9A comes with huge battery 4200 mAh that can charge from 0% to 67% in just 30 minutes. And you can get 7 hours of phone calls after 5 minutes of charging. Y9A also comes with Huawei Petal Search, where you can search, download, install, update your favorite apps by just a click on your finger. With all that, I do not see why you still did not call to pre-book your Y9A. Now let's take a look at the Huawei Watch Fit and what is the buzz all about. There are so many reasons that makes the Watch Fit my favorite smartwatch available currently. Let's start with everyone's concern when it comes to buying a smartwatch, which is the battery. The battery that can give you up to 10 days normal usage. Now I truly do not have to worry about charging, is unlike the other more expensive smartwatches in the market that I have to charge every 2 days. It looks like the design of the watch is usually the second concern you probably have. Well, the Watch Fit comes with an incredible 1.64 display with auto brightness that makes it so much easier to read notifications and messages even under sunlight. The best part is the option to customize the watch faces through the health app to suit your mood. Now let me tell you why this watch is my favorite. This watch provides 12 kinds of animated quick workouts and includes 44 standard movement demonstrations. It also includes a total of 96 workout modes to choose from. So no more of wasting time on searching online on how to do the specific exercise. I got my personal trainer with me wherever I go. Watch Fit also provides me the 24 hours tracking of heart rate, stress monitoring, sleep tracking and oxygen. So thank you so much. Hope you like this video.